Welcome to my channel, my viewers, my subscribers. I'm here once again. I will show you how to make a green detox drink that is very effective to detoxify our system and of course helps for weight loss. This green detox drink will help you to stay in shape and healthy. It's also a great way to add celery to your drink. You all know that celery contains a lot of vitamins and also helps a lot for weight loss. So just stay tuned and watch how I do this drink. And this drink is always very good. You drink it in an empty stomach in the morning or the last thing at night, so that's why I use this drink to get back to shape, especially after putting to bed and breastfeeding. I drink a lot of this drink. That's why I decided to also show my viewers and my subscribers. Thank you and stay tuned. I just want to take out time right now to appreciate my viewers, my subscribers, for subscribing to my channel and also viewing my videos. Thank you so much for comment. I really appreciate you guys. So I really want to thank you guys for subscribing and also for viewing my videos. Thank you all. May God bless you all.